All right, so we just got this, engineered in Germany. So it does come with, directions, which of course you can look through, and some other stuff here. Anyway, let's put that to the side. All right, so here is the different heads. So this one here is, I think, for your nose, right? This one here is like trimming something very small. I don't know. Put that over there. These, of course, you put on there. They're guards. And let's see if we can get it out of the package. There we go. And there it is, right there. And I think it already has a charge. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. So that's the on and off button. Here is where you charge it with a USB-C. And then I do believe that this is different levels. So you can change it and get it tighter. I don't see a lot happening there. But yeah, now if you want to put one of these on, if you look, you'll see there's little channels here. So you can slide this on. Whoops, yeah, you gotta have the same angle, right? You can slide these in there, if I can find them. There we go. And then this is a guard, so that when you're going over, you're only cutting it to a certain depth, right? So this one right here, that's the beard. Let's look at this one here. Let's try this one. This one looks like if you got a bigger beard, same thing, just like that. But yeah, basically that's how they work, right? Now it does come with some other stuff underneath here. Let's get rid of this. And so you do get a USB-C, and you get this like oil stuff that you're supposed to put in it. And it's got a little cleaning brush. And here's your USB-C to A, which you can use. I already have a whole bunch of USB-Cs plugged in. So if I want to charge it, I just got to plug it in right here. And then you can see, look, it's giving me a red signal, and I think I got a couple more to go, but it's got a little bit of a charge on it, so we can still use it. I'm going to do a little shaving action and to show you how it works. But I'm going to unplug it for right now, and then we'll plug it in afterwards to get a full charge on it. It does come with this bag that you can put it in, and it's kind of a nice little deal there. All right, so let's take a look and see how it does on the beard. All right, so here we are. And I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing it this way, but it's not too bad, right? Let's see this side. Let's see if I can do it with my left hand. Not too bad. I think you're supposed to go this way, though. Ooh. I just pinched myself. But yeah, it works pretty good. What do you think? So anyway, now we got to clean it. Let me get that little brush. All right. So now you can clean it. I got a little garbage can right underneath me here. So I'm just kind of cleaning her off like that. And that's not too bad, right? I mean, if I did my other part, it would be, I don't want to cut myself. Anyway, give it a try. You can get it right here on Amazon. And these things work fantastic. Highly recommend. Peace out.